Hey there people, how's it going? And today what we're talking about is talking about the Good Cook microwave instant noodle maker. Yes, now what this is a device that's made to actually make and hold your noodles. Okay, now what this is made for is the cup of noodles, not the square ramen noodles that you would see in the store, but it's for the cup of soups. What you do is you would fill this up with water. There's a fill line, if you can see that right here. You can see that there's a fill line. You fill it to about there and right here, and then you put this in the microwave and you make it, microwave it till it boils. What you're going to do is once it boils, you're going to take your cup of noodles, you pull back the lid, and then you pour in the hot water, and then you cover it you'll take your cup of noodles and then you'll place it inside here, and then you pull off the paper and cover the noodles with this all the way on the top while it cooks. You give it what was it, about 3 or 4 minutes or something to make it cook well, and then you take it off. And then you stir it around with your fork, and then you eat it. Now, once you're eating it and holding it and it's ready, you can hold it with this handle. So basically, this is the idea that was intended for this. It's a way that you can carry around your noodles without having to hold something that is kind of hot, and you can lounge around with it just about anywhere. In my opinion, it's kind of not really that necessary. If it's there, you'll probably use it, but you're not going to be like, oh gosh, I really wish I had one of those holders for my noodles. I got this about 3 months ago, and I just wanted to try it, and I did. But I've only used it maybe like 3 or 4 times. It works pretty good for what it's supposed to do. It is what it is. It does what it does. And I mean, if this is the kind of thing you want, then it's there for you. It's not that it doesn't work. It's very sturdy, very easy to hold. The plastic is very hardy, and it's when it's microwaved, it doesn't get soft or anything. It's very sturdy and hard plastic, so you can be sure that it's going to do its job. Yeah, it also works with just about all cup of soup type soups. That cup shape fits just about every one. I mean, I've seen ones that are kind of large, like a big bowl, but it's not intended for those. It's for that standard cup size, that you would use. But you can cook your noodles, any noodles, with this. You just can't hold it with any of them. All of them. If you want to heat up water, fill this with water and then put it in the microwave. You have your water and you can pour it into that bowl. If the bowl is really big. For those ones that it doesn't fit in here, but you can heat up the water for it with these. So yeah, I mean, these work very well, and it has this nice little lid on it, so you can cover it up nicely, and it's pretty cool, I guess, if this is what you want. I mean, if you're out somewhere and you say, oh, I'll make soup for everybody, and then everybody gets one of these, they probably will think, oh, wow, that's pretty cool. You know, for the most part, it's, for the most part, in my opinion, kind of unnecessary. But it's not that I don't like it, and I'll probably continue to use it, but probably not that often. Probably if somebody makes me some noodles and brings it to me like this, I'll use it that way. But it's just kind of a thing that makes me feel kind of like it's unnecessary, you know. So it is what it is. So hopefully it's gotten across that, I mean, it's not that it's bad, and it does what it does, and it's, I mean, it's fine. It's just, in my opinion, a little bit unnecessary, but I like it though. All right, well, we've been talking about the Good Cook microwave instant noodle maker. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.